Okay, so our friend James right here.
He's not our friend!
Whatever, it's close enough. He's famous,
but not.
He's famous for being super salty.
Boy, I'm not salty. You just make me sound salty.
And then
exactly.
And so we're just gonna roast him and see how salty he gets.
Okay.
Well
then,
that's what.
Time for a diss track.
That's what friends are for.
Time for a diss track.
Let me see.
James, you're so salty. Butter and popcorn rejected you.
You're so salty. You're so salty. You're saltier than movie popcorn.
You're so salty. When you sat in the ocean, that's what made it salt water.
What? Okay.
Oh no, that's actually a different one.
I gotta think
you
of
said it
something
wrong,
good.
but that's actually a different
Whatever.
one.
Shut up, James. You're salty.
You're a salty pickle. Don't be a pickle.
I feel salty. I don't feel salty. I feel sorry.
You're not.
That the pickles just got insulted because they're not as salty as James.
You're not a piece of salted caramel. You're a box of.
You're I don't know. You're a caramel. You're not salted caramel. You're caramel salt. Come on, y'all. We need to roast this bitch.
Say what now?
Come on.
Hey, you know those big tubs of salt that they put pretzels in at baseball games?
Yeah.
James is the human equivalent of that.
Oh!
There's giant buckets of salt.
He's the equivalent and more. He's the equivalent and more.
What kind
Plus
of salt?
like 3.
What kind of salt?
Like
garlic
kosher
salt?
salt.
Is it garlic
No.
salt?
Well, he's even asking.
In general, it's kosher salt.
He's even asking about it.
You're saltier than the Dead Sea.
The garlic is very good.
You're saltier than the Dead Sea.
That's what I just said.
I know, but no one here heard.
Well, I'm saltier than the. I'm not as salty as the others. Well, hey,
Bro,
James,
you don't have to admit it.
To get any saltier than you,
It's the world.
it would have to fit all of the galaxy.
James, all 7.5 billion people combined are not as salty as
6.5
you.
billion people.
Shut up. It's 7.5.
You're so salty that if somebody ate you, they'd die of high sodium.
It's sodium poisoning, by the way.
Sodium poisoning.
You're so salty. The family tree that comes under you is their tears are gonna be. Oh my God, that's salt. You're
No, I'm actually at the very bottom of the tree.
That's salt, though.
You're not gonna have kids.
I know I am.
That's salt, though.
Oh.
Wow, this is the best diss of James ever.
Hey,
Yeah.
James, if you could get any more saltier, your
Oh,
body would
Sayonara, I'm leaving now.
He's so salty, he brought gummy worms to life, and they were sour. Oh!
You're so salty, you could kill 12 billion snails.
I can.
Well, sayonara. Well, that's all the time we have for today. So, see y'all later.
Hey, I'm still filming, y'all. Hey, Jackson, you're still on TV. Oh wait, no more. Out the window.
Alan,
He's all humiliated.
Run, salty